Good morning, children. Now today I shall explain to you the poem of Standard 7 in English, Meadow Surprises. Now, this poem, Meadow Surprises, is written by Louise Brandt Phillips. She is a wealthy ranch owner who has taken up writing and painting wildlife. In this poem, the poet tells us that meadows have surprises. These surprises can be found if one has a keen eye and a sharp ear to observe them. We should walk softly through the wet velvet grass of the meadows and listen to the brook. Brook is a small stream. We can also see a beautiful butterfly which will come and rest upon a buttercup flower and unfold its coiled drinking straws to sip the nectar up. The poet refers to the butterfly's tube-like mouth as drinking straws. As we walk along the meadows, we may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still to hide from predators. We can know that we have scared a rabbit only when it hops away fast. As we walk along the meadows, we can blow on a dried fuzzy dandelion flower and watch its petals flutter like airy parachutes all over the meadow. Not only people have built houses on meadows, many animals and birds have also taken shelter there. We can explore burrows of rabbits or others. We can see birds' nests underneath the tall grasses and also the anthills, which are an amazing piece of architecture. Now first, let us read the poem, Meadow Surprises. Meadows have surprises. You can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup and unfold its drinking straws to sip the nectar up. You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still, though at first you may not see him. When he hops, you will. A dandelion whose fuzzy head was golden days ago has turned to airy parachutes that flutter when you blow. Explore the meadow houses, the burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall grasses, the ants' amazing mound. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. Written by Louise Brandt Phillips. Now, the first main what you have to write in your notebooks. Glossary. Meadow, grassland on which cattle, sheep, etc. may feed. Brook, a small stream. Drinking straw, long tube-like part of the mouth of an insect. Fuzzy, like a fine soft mass of hair. Explore, here, look carefully at. Buttercup, wild plant with yellow flowers. Dandelion, small wild plant with bright yellow flowers. Flutter, here, move in the air. Burrow, a hole in the ground made by an animal, especially a rabbit, in which it lives or hides. Mound, a raised mass of earth. Nectar, sweet liquid in flowers. Scare, cause great fear or nervousness. Discover, find unexpectedly. Now, the next main, answer the following questions. First question, meadows hide secrets. Answer, true. Second, the grass in this meadow has grown tall. Answer, true. Question 3. What does the poet mean by the words velvet grass? Answer. Velvet grass means the grass is so silky and soft So the poet advises to walk slowly on that delicate soft grass as cozy as velvet. Question 4. What do butterflies do when they flutter down and sit on the flowers? Answer. Butterflies drink nectar from the flowers, and while doing so, it seems to use its mouth parts like a drinking straw. Question 5. What is a buttercup? Buttercup is a wild plant which bears yellow flowers. Question 6. Why did the rabbit hop? The rabbit hopped away because it was scared of the poetess. Question 7. Imagine you are sitting by a brook. Write 2 or 3 sentences about the sounds you hear. Answer. Sitting by the side of the brook, we can hear the sound of moving water, muttering sounds of birds, and rabbits in their nests and burrows. Question 8. What are meadow houses? Answer. Meadow houses are nothing but the burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall grasses, and the ants' amazing mound. Question 9. What is a dandelion? Answer. A dandelion is a wild plant which bears yellow flowers. When the flowers dry and the petals fall off, the flower turns fuzzy. When we blow on the dry flowers, they flutter away like parachutes. Question 10. How does a meadow tell its secrets? From stanza 6. Answer. Meadows have secrets and surprises to tell. If we want to discover these surprises, we have to look and hear carefully to find them. Question 11. There are some meadow surprises. Can you find one more surprise? Answer. If we observe keenly the grass in the meadows, we can see crickets and grasshoppers in them.